Look what I finally got my hands on. Hey, it's Amia Renee, and today I'll be doing a review on Revlon's blow dryer. So it says it's Revlon's Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. I've been wanting to get my hands on this for a while, but I don't blow dry my hair too often, maybe 2-3 times a year, so I just couldn't justify me paying the price. I think it was around $60 for it, but I finally gave in when it was on sale on Amazon and brought one. So this is how it looks, like a bristle brush. It has, and the on and off is at the bottom, so you turn it off, low, cool, high. So I'm excited to try this. Let's see, my hair is freshly washed. When I do blow dry my hair, I like to use a light leave-in conditioner. I don't usually use a cream. I want something light that's not going to leave any buildup or make my hair feel gooky or feel like residue is on it. So today, I'm going to use African Pride. This is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners. And of course, it smells so good. I'm big on smells, and it smells amazing. And my favorite is by Tresemme, and you can see it says you can protect your hair. It says heat protection up to 450 degrees. I love this one. Okay, so excited. Let's see. Turn it on high. It's dry. I'm gonna take a couple seconds. I don't know what I was expecting. I don't like paddle brushes for my hair, bristle brushes or dimming brushes. I don't like any of those brushes too much because it sounds so harsh. I don't think it's ripping my hair out, but it just sound like it is. I don't like that, the way that sounds. But let me finish my whole head and I'll be back to tell you guys what I think about it. And my root isn't dry, so I don't know how I could get closer to my root. Maybe. rate this Revlon blow dryer brush? I would say a B as far as letter grades. It was easy to operate. I didn't have to worry about taking the nozzle off, putting another nozzle on, blow dry my hair and everything else. So just one tool, you could do everything. Pros, it did help me save time. I felt like I did blow dry my hair at half the amount of time that I would have if I would have used my other blow dryer. Con, it doesn't get your roots completely dry. So if you just want to blow dry your hair or maybe flat twist it, that's cool. But if you want to blow dry your hair, to flat on it and put some more heat on it, I wouldn't recommend that because your roots are still dry. You know, of course, you don't want to put heat, flat irons or any type of curling iron to your hair if it's still damp. But overall, it was pretty cool. Would I use it again? Yes. And for have you used this Revlon blow drying brush, or have you used any other brands that was similar to this? Did you like it? Let me know down in the comments. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching as always. Bye. Whew. I don't know what to do with this. Looking like the Lion King. I don't know. Crazy wild.